I'm going to start the percentage. It's very beautiful, and definitely you will get the one question of percentage, at least one question. And percentage chapter we will use in data interpretation also, in statistics also, in some question of mensuration also. So this is the very important chapter as a maths concern. Okay, first the basic about the percentage. Do you know what is the meaning of percentage? What is the percentage? If I say there is a one shopkeeper, name is the Kalu Ram. Kalu Ram is the shopkeeper. He invests 80,000 in his shop and he secured profit of the 12,981.34 rupees. Is it look like good? No, it's not look like good. If I say Kalu Ram got 23% profit, yeah, it's look like good. You can see that. It is good, sir. 23% profit means, sir, Kaluram invested 100 rupees and he got 123 rupees. So he got the 23 rupees profit. Now, so thing is very simple. If I say GDP from the agriculture is the 31%, so it is look like good. If I use the percentage, it means I am assuming the total as 100. So all things will become simplified. So it is the meaning of percentage. So remember that, bacha, percentage meaning from 100. The meaning of percentage means from 100, and we will use this concept in two contexts. Two contexts means, okay, there are two things. Either you assume total as 100. If I say in 3 trillion GDP, agriculture is like a 48 crore 8,929, it's not look like good. If I say 16% is the agriculture, the part of agriculture is the 16%, it's like good. In total 100, the part of agriculture is 16%. So if you want to simplify the things, we use the percentage. Percentage means we are assuming the total as 100. It is the first use of percentage. Assume total as 100. For example, if I am talking about the class, in a class 31% student pass first division, 28% student pass second division, like this. So it is easy to explain what is the result of the class. Sometimes if I use in a society 13% play cricket, now it's good. If the society may there are 100 people, 13 people play cricket. Okay. As a second use, if you are comparing your number with the other number, in comparison, assume base number as 100. So the two use. For example, I am comparing that I have 20% more money than my friend Chunnu. I have 20% more money than my friend Chunnu. So I will assume Chunnu, if Chunnu has 100 rupees, Chunnu have 100 rupees, I have 120 rupees, like this. Okay? So if you are comparing the two triangles, anything, like the triangle A, the area of triangle A is the 21% less than area of triangle B. It means I am going to assume the area of triangle B as 100. So it is 20 less 80. Okay, so there are two use of the percentage. Total, either assume the total as 100, or if you are comparing the two number, assume one number as 100. Okay, so I am going to start with the 0. So okay, I am writing here first. I am writing here type number 1. Chapter is very important. So are you getting or not? Okay, type number 1. So how you can find out the percentage? So find out percentage. Okay, generally I say that for example, how you can find out the percentage. So if I say that you got the, what is the marks of the CSAT paper 2, 80 question, and each question of the 2.5, I think, each question of 2.5, 200 marks, CSAT 2 is the 200 marks. So I say you got the 120 marks in CSAT 2 paper. 120 marks in CSAT 2 paper out of 200. So how much percentage? So it is simple. Marks upon total into 100. So I can say how much marks you acquire. So I say the number may be marks, number may be population, number may be okay, how many literate peoples, like this, upon total, number upon total into 100. This gives the simple percentage. Actually, you know that in school we did in 200 you secured 120 marks. So in one, how much you secured? 120 by 200. So if total is 100, how much marks you will secure? So I am writing this is the simple unitary method of school. It is the 4th 5th class. So if I say I am going to convert this data into the percentage, it means I am writing the number or anything you secured divided by total into 100. It is a simple method to find out the percentage. Are you getting or not? Okay, so it is simple. I will take a lot of basic question. So I think it's easy. So it is simple to find out the percentage. I'm writing here type number 2, x% of y. X% of y. I say that I told my friend that please give me 20% of money which you have in pocket. 20%. It means 1/5 part. Okay. So if you want to find out the percentage of any number, y into x by 100. Y into x by 100, simple. I said now, okay, I'm telling you one very good things. Sometimes you know that if I want to find out the percentage of any number, I require upon 100. For example, if I ask you what is 33 and 1 by 3% of 5100, so you have to write down 5100 into, हाँ तो मैं आपको बोल रहा था कि it is not necessary that any answer will always come the less than 100. No, I can say that I have 200% more money than my friend. If my friend have 100, I have 300 rupees, like this. Okay, now so you have to write here 3 into 3, 99 plus 1, 100 by 3, and percentage means 1 by 100, like this. So 100 cancel 100, so it is 1 by 3, so you can cancel 3, like a 3 1 ja 1, 3 7 ja, and you got the 1700. So can you say that bacha कि अच्छा sir, if I want to find out the percentage of any number, so I have to write 1 by 100. Always you have to write 1 by 100. So this is fraction form of percentage. It is fraction form of percentage. See, so it is better to remember some standard fraction form of the percentage, because percentage you will get in the lot of chapters. You will get the percentage in percentage, profit loss, discount, simple interest, compound interest, DI, statistics, mensuration, in lot of even number system also. So you will meet percentage in so many chapters. So it is better to remember shortest of percentage. Shortest means fraction part. देखो, I am going to again repeat. If I say in a class there are the 32 students, है ना, मैं बोलूँ in my class 25% student took the bath. आज 25% बच्चे नहा के आए. कितने बच्चे नहा के आए बच्चा? 25%. So 25% कैसे निकालोगे? How you will find the 25%? So definitely you have to write 25 by 100. So I can say that 25% is the percentage form and this is your fraction form. So 1 by 4 is the fraction form. So I can write 1 by 4 directly. So I will get the 8 student came and 8 student took the bath in this class. Okay. So आप क्या करते हो ना? Just you try to understand. You have to write 100, 1 by 100 every time. So I'm writing here, one is the percentage form and second is the fraction form. And you will get the advantage if you will remember this percentage and fraction form, because this percentage is going to use in so many chapters. Actually, I'm going to start with the 50%. Everybody know 1 by 2. Chalo, start with the 50%. So 50%, everybody know it is 1 by 2. Okay. Achha, remember 33 and 1 by 3% is 1 by 3. और बच्चों दे नो प्रॉब्लम, यू हैव सुपर कंप्यूटर, इसलिए टेंशन मत किया करो, सब याद हो जाता है, सब याद कर लेता है, सुपर कंप्यूटर है ना. 25% इट मींस 1 by 4. अरे वाह, नाइस. अच्छा, 20% मींस बच्चा बोलो 1 by 5. अरे वाह, गुड. You do you know 16 and 2 by 3%? देखो कितना very interesting. If you forget, so 3 into 16, 48 plus 2, 50 by 3 into 1 by 100. So it's 1 by 6. अरे वाह, शानदार. अच्छा, remember 14 and 2 by 7%. It is important. 14 and 2 by 7% means 1 by 7. अरे वाह, nice. Remember, it's 1 by 7. अच्छा, and 12 and 1 by 2%. It is also good. It's 1 by 8. अरे वाह, nice. And 11 and 1 by 9%. The fraction form. Do you know why what I am writing? Because if you want to find out the percentage of any number, you have to write x% of y means y into x by 100. So I am writing x by 100. Okay, it is the x, it is x by 100, x by 100. Okay, it is the fraction form, because always you have to write 1 by 100. So it is better to remember the short tricks of the some percentage. So 11 and 1 by 9% is 1 by 9, and you know 1 by 10 means 10%. So 10% means 1 by 10. Achha, and last 11%. So 9 and 1 by 11. देखो, it is reverse. 1 by 9 means 11 and 1 by 9. 1 by 9 and 1 by 11% means 1 by 11. ठीक है. So remember this is just reverse. 9 and 1 by 11 means 1 by 11. 11 1 by 9 means 1 by 9. 12 and 1 by percent means 1 by 8. 14 and 2 by 7. 14 and 2 by 7. Acha, why I'm telling you? Acha, this is simple. You have to remember because everybody know 50%. Bas only 33 1 by 3 yaad rakh lo. 25% everybody know 1 by 4, 1 by 5, and it is 16 and 2 by 3% 1 by 6, and it is good. 14 and 2 by 7 1 by 7. 12.5%. Acha, chalo right. And this only 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. Remember only 6. ठीक है. अच्छा, it will, you will get the benefit because if I ask you बच्चा what is, if I ask you what is 55 and 5 by 9% of 5310, can you tell me the answer? अच्छा, आप बोलोगे सर it's very typical 55 and 5 by 9, but you know 11 and 1 by 9% is the 1 by 9. अच्छा, do you know in if I say 11 and 1 by 9% means 1 by 9, do you know what is the operator in between the 11 and 1 by 9? Anybody know the operator between the 11 and 1 by 9? In between 11 and 1 by 9, it is plus or multiply. It's 11 plus 1 by 9. किसने बोला मल्टीप्लाई होता है? ऐसे क्या करते हो? मल्टीप्लाई होता तो ये 11 by 9 नहीं हो जाता. Agar if it is multiply, so you can write 11 by 9. So what is the use of 11 and 1 by 9? No, it's not multiply, it's plus. Okay, so it is plus. Okay, so it's 11 and 1 by 9. So अब tell me, if I will multiply this number into 5, if I multiply this number with the 5, so you have to multiply 5 with the 11 as well as you have to multiply 5 with the 1 by 9. So can I say that my number will become 55 and 5 by 9%? And if you are going to multiply this number by 5, definitely you have to multiply this number by 5. So what is the short tricks? Short tricks is 5 and 9. So it is not simple 5 6 type. There's a lot of type. If I multiply this number by 2, so it will become 28 and 4 by 7%. And what is short tricks? 2 by 7. If I multiply this number by 3, so you have to multiply 14 as well as 2 also. So 42 and 6 by 7%. It means it is 3 by 7 like this. If you multiply this by 2, 22 and 2 by 9, 2 by 9, short tricks. If you multiply this by 7, so 77 and 7 by 9, 7 by 9. So if you remember this short tricks, there are a lot of short tricks you can make from this short tricks. So it is simple, it is nothing but it is a 5 by 9. So you have to write directly. So you have to find out 5310 into 5 by 9. बस, तो 9 से कर दो बस. 45 9 9 जा 0 and 0 5 9 ja 45 5 4 carry 2950. Are you getting or not? Okay, so bachcho, if you will remember this fraction, you will get the benefit. You can derive lot of fraction from this simple fractions. ठीक है. So actually I am teaching you basic of the percentage. कोई टीचर इसको नहीं लेता, so I am taking the basic of the percentage. ठीक है. Nobody take this in the teaching. They start the direct questions. So x% of y, I think it is good. Okay, now you can find out. So can you tell me the answer of this question fast? चलो देखते हैं who will give the first correct answer. So I am writing 28 and 4 by 7% of 3500 plus 27 and 3 by 11% of 187. Whenever you get the 55 and 5 by 9, or direct take the 5 by 9 because it is the 5 times of this, and shortcut of this is 1 by 9. So 55 and 5 by 9 क्या होगा? 5 by 9. बस डायरेक्ट. सेम थिंग इज देयर. 28 and 4 by 7%, 14 and 2 by 7. तो उसका देखो डबल नहीं है, डबल. अच्छा, मोस्टली एग्जामिनर विल टेक द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ मल्टीपल ऑफ दिस. मोस्टली ऐसे ही होता है. सो इट इज डबल एंड सिंगल क्या होता है? 1 by 7. सो इट इज 2 by 7. डायरेक्ट लाइट, राइट, राइट ऑन डायरेक्ट. 27 and 3 by 11 means अरे वाह वाह वाह, it's 3 times of this. 9 and 1 by 11. It is the 3 times of 9 and 1 by 11. So multiply बच्चा, मेरा धमाका कर देगा बच्चा. 3 by 11 into 187. देखो कितना खतरनाक. It is very very simple यार बच्चा, है ना. तो 7 से डिवाइड करो. 7 5 जा 0 0 and what you got? 0 0 2 5 जा मतलब अरे 1000 and here 11 1 जा 11. Answer 11 7 51. So what is the answer? 1051 is the answer.